Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors, a backup camera, and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have leather interior. This Sienna also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seats, all-weather floor mats, and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and hands-free calling controls. On the right you have your cruise at the bottom. This Sienna has 122,000 kilometers. Over in the middle you have your touchscreen that's got your Bluetooth phone connection, AM/FM radio, some vehicle information, and a backup camera. Right below that, we have our tri-zone climate controls for your driver, passenger, and the rear. Underneath, we've got a couple storage compartments along with your heated seats and your outlets. And up top here, we've got these buttons to automatically open the rear door and this button for your power liftgate. The rear doors automatically open by pulling the handle. You could also use the button on your key fob as well. Once the doors open, you can see we have more leather interior throughout the vehicle, along with a storage cubby and cup holders in the back of the center console and a storage pouch in each of the seat backs. For access to the third row, we could just lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. This Sienna also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see that with the third row folded up, we still have quite a bit of storage space, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. Additionally, we have another outlet on the right side. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob, but there's also an additional button up top. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2016 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, all-weather floor mats, along with power sliding rear doors and a power liftgate. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.